Hello guys, we got a new project. She is rough, really rough, but we can make it work. We'll fix her up. It's a zx10R, 2004, 2005, I'm not sure, I gotta check again. She don't start. So we turn the key, we can hear the pump prime, that's a good sign. And we can even hear the starter relay trying to work, but it's not really working. So that's the first thing we're gonna diagnose right there. But not today. It's late. I'm tired. I just came back from picking her up. And she needs a lot of work. Like, I'm not gonna lie, she needs a lot. She's being neglected pretty bad. But, like I said, we can make it work. I have worse. Hello guys, we're back. We're gonna be working on the new project today. It's pretty rough, but I already got good news. It starts. We made it happen already. When we got it first, I didn't start, but we changed the starter solenoid and there she goes. So that's good news right off the bat. That means we can go ahead and focus on some other things that I thought it was gonna be. It's gonna be later in the process that we got this bike to start, but there we go. We can focus on make it look pretty now. And there's also, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me flip the camera. Pretty sure we got an oil leak because there's a couple drops there. It looks like oil. And although I pretty much power washed the bike yesterday, that looks like fresh oil. So. The guy that I bought it from told me that he had replaced a few gaskets here and there. And he gave me a few extra ones, so I'm guessing he didn't replace all of them. Because obviously something is leaking. We got a wiring nightmare right here. We got to figure it out. Same over here. That paint job needs to be worked up. Seriously. Another wiring nest right here. Paint job on point, I guess. We got to work on that. Got to work over here, the exhaust, paint. We're gonna get a new radiator, although it's not leaking. That thing is beat up pretty bad. Paint over here, it's not, the forks are not even leaking, so that's a good sign. Bent levers, The throttle is ticking. So yeah, but at least we replaced the solenoid. It started right away. And we worked on the ignition. And it was kind of loose. It looked kind of broken, but I had some spare parts, and we got it working now again. So yeah. All right, found some surprise damage. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of this throughout the build of this bike, but look at this. Brake hose chewed right through. So first thing we're gonna do is get this cleaned up. There's a whole bunch of connections for LEDs and accessories. We don't need any of that. We're trying to reduce all the possible electrical nightmares. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. There's a whole bunch of LED strips all over the bike. So that's the first. It's only been one round of decluttering on the wiring harnesses in the bike, and all of this came out. Look at this thing. And there's plenty more. I needed right off the bat, I needed a radiator, so we got one order because the mounting brackets were broken. And I actually thought it was going to leak because of the shunt that is missing. And even though it's not leaking, we're still going to replace it. Because of this, I'm not going to have a radiator mounted with tie straps. But I'm still gonna get it off today so I can test this fan because it's not coming on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need a fan or if this one is either locked up, or we'll figure it out. I gotta get it out though. So that's gonna be the next step. I'm also gonna take this off over here, all the front light. It's in pretty rough shape, so I'm gonna get it out, see what I can reuse, see what I can't reuse, and go from there. So that's the next step right now. This is looking a lot cleaner now that it doesn't have all the LEDs there. Well, that was literally held down by a zip tie. Like, this is not even doing anything right here. So we're gonna get this off. We definitely gotta figure out a way to make this look clean and secure, because right now it's not at all. Forgot to show you this, guys. I already knew this beforehand getting into this bike. It has a crack wheel, that's why it came with an extra one. I don't know if I ever show you, but I put it back here. We just gotta do something about the color. Either, I'm not even sure which route I'm going with this bike yet, but one way or another we're gonna have to have the wheels painted, or at least the front one to match that red one. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, forgot to show you this. Got a broken state. I already got one order. I didn't know that beforehand, so I went ahead and ordered it right away. But I also want to take this off because this is in pretty rough shape, so I'm gonna try to restore as much as I can. And I want to take this off. I'm not even sure what the purpose of that is, but that's coming off. Alright, so we got some more surprises on this side. Right here, this bolt's completely loose. Like I can probably take it off with my fingers if I want to. We got a missing bolt right here. Probably a good reason why this is leaking oil. And this cable that comes right off of the ignition was hooked to where is it? It was hooked to a switch. I think I took it off. That was plugged into this cable right here that goes straight to the battery. I do not know what the purpose of that is, but I don't know. I don't even intend to figure it out. I'm just gonna take all this off and do it the proper way. Gonna fix this too. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do. I mean, it's not like it's properly connected, even though it's not the right plug for it, but I'm gonna check it out, make sure that there's nothing exposed and fix it up. But yeah, so far those are the surprises we got. Draining the coolant now so we can take the radiator out. Don't worry, it didn't have oil in the coolant. That's just the bucket that I had was dirty. So got her pretty much there down to basics. She's naked now. Got it all stripped out. We got some more cleaning to do because I mean it's pretty grimy on the frame and stuff. Air filter was decent. I mean it was dirty. We're gonna clean it out and put it back on. But I've seen worse. It's definitely reusable. All right, so that works. Hold on. Oh, close. So that's one less thing we gotta buy. Just gotta probably fix the connections here because you're not in the good shape, man. So basically, fix this up, get a new radiator, mount this up, and we should be golden on that side.